Mevo Cloud. Power your digital future.
Looking for a great hosting solution? Check our website for prices. First, what you need to do is to update the server packages. You can do this by the following command.
First, we'll run the official Jellyfin installation script. This automatically adds the necessary repositories and installs the media server along with its dependencies. Once the installation is finished, use this command to check the status of the Jellyfin services. Now update package list with the following command. Install the Nginx web server with the next command. Create a configuration file for Jellyfin with the following command. Pass the following configuration into this file and don't forget to change the server name with your IP address or domain name. Now, activate the configuration and create a symbolic link from the site's available directory with the next command. Before restarting Nginx, run a syntax test to ensure there are no errors. If test is successful, run the next command to restart the Nginx and apply the changes. Finally, open your web browser and navigate to your domain name or IP address to complete the Jellyfin setup wizard. Now you can start to work with Jellyfin. That's it. If you have any question, please leave them in comments.